I am Andrew Chesterton, President, CEO, and Chairman of the Board of the A.W. Chesterton Company. The A.W. Chesterton Company is pleased to announce that this year, 2024, we are celebrating 140 years of worldwide service. We are a fourth-generation, family-owned global company. My great-grandfather, Arthur Wellington, started the company on the Boston Harborfront 140 years ago in September 1884. He believed in our customers consolidating their purchases using Chesterton products. Today, we offer numerous solutions for all industries and municipalities. We have a tremendous opportunity to assist our essential industry customers with a wide range of innovative, highly engineered solutions and local services to optimize efficiencies today for a sustainable tomorrow. Chesterton has offices and operations on every major continent and distribution partners in over 100 countries. We are a specialty engineering company providing essential, cost-effective, and reliable solutions to customers. We are fully committed to global manufacturing with our largest manufacturing facility based in Massachusetts. We are consistently investing in innovation and technology, and we continue to advance our manufacturing facilities and capabilities. As we look at our history as a company, we have developed numerous new products and we have over 170 patents, but we continue to look forward. Over 140 years, while our innovations and technologies have helped change and improve industry, we must always focus on shaping the future for both our company and, most of all, our global customers. Our mission has always been to serve our customers with high-quality solutions designed to decrease operational costs, increase equipment reliability, and extend plant equipment life through asset preservation. At Chesterton, our vision is to be at the top of our customers' minds for innovation and excellence. Chesterton's value-added solutions and knowledgeable personnel are key in differentiating us from competition. Our company's core values of collaboration, integrity, accountability, and innovation are our guiding principles as we continue honoring our past and shaping our future in 2024, while continuing to deliver excellence to you, our valued customers. For those of you who have looked to us to help and assist you over the many years with your process challenges, I want to personally thank you. If you are learning about us for the first time, I would like to ask you to give our team an opportunity to demonstrate to you why others have looked to us over these past 140 years for support and help with their most complex reliability challenges. For more on our company products, solutions, and assistance, please visit us at chesterton.com. Please join our entire global team as we celebrate and honor our 140 years of excellence and global industrial service in 2024.